Good morning, children. Now we are learning chapter 7, that means Introduction to MS WLOGO. What I have discussed in our online live class, I hope you have understood those things. This class is going to be a practical class or demo practical class where I will discuss about how logo screen looks like and what are the components of logo screen. As you know, the full form of logo or MS WLOGO stands for Microsoft Windows language of graphic orientation. So this software or this language is used to draw pictures, do arithmetic and different things by using code. First we will learn how to enter in MS WLOGO screen. As in the book it has given that you have to click on start button, then there is all program option, click on that all program, a menu open up, click on all program, then click Microsoft Windows logo. As you click that, the screen will looks like that way. This is the first screen of MS WLOGO. Or if you have set it in a shortcut manner, you can also get logo screen there on your desktop. Just click on that, you will get this screen there, or this is the first screen of MS WLOGO. Now we are going to learn what are the components or what are these things called which are present on the screen. As like in your book, it has given that MS WLOGO screen mainly is divided into two sections. One is called main screen or MS WLOGO screen. Another one is called Commander window. First we will learn about main screen. Let's see what are there. On the main screen you have 5 things there which are called title bar, menu bar, drawing area, scroll bar and turtle. As like in the book, these things have mentioned there by giving numbers, which one is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the screen which things are called title bar, menu bar, drawing area, scroll bar and turtle. Title bar. Title bar is present at the top of the screen. Okay. Title bar is present at the top of the screen where the title of the software or title of the file is displayed there. Next is menu bar. Second one is called menu bar. Menu bar is positioned just below of the title bar. It consists of MS WLOGO menus like MS WLOGO menus like file, bitmap, set, zoom, help. These are the menus. By clicking that, we will get different options to do the different tasks. Then is the white area is called drawing area. This area basically used to display what shapes or things you are going to do. This area is used for that purpose. Next is scroll bar. What is scroll bar? It has 2 scroll bars. This one is horizontal, this is vertical scroll bar and downward there is a horizontal scroll bar. These scroll bars are used to move the screen to up and down or right and left directions. Then you have a turtle. This is just like a pen tip. It is triangular its shape. It has 2 parts, head and tail. Turtle has 2 things. The top one is called, portion is called head and the down portion is called tail. As the turtle will move on the screen on the primitive or commands, you will get the logo shapes on the screen. We will learn more about turtle later. These are the things which are present on the main screen, that is title bar, menu bar, drawing area, scroll bar and turtle. Then we will discuss about Commander window. In Commander window has again 4 portions, that is recall list box, command input box, command buttons and scroll bar. Let's see what are these? First is recall list box. The grayish area on the screen is called recall list box. This area is called recall list box. Where I am moving this sign, this area is called recall list box, and this recall list box is used to view the already typed command. As I will type the commands there, recall list box will store those and display those commands. Look, these commands I have already written. So which of the commands I have already done, those are listed there on this recall list box. Next we have command input box. Command input box. Look at that. Where the cursor is blinking, this area, where the cursor is blinking, this area is called command input box. Here you can type the commands. Whatever the required command is needed, you can type the commands there. And after typing the command, you have to press enter button or click on the execute button. Then only you can view the command output. So first one is called recall list box and second one is called command input box. Then we have the command buttons. These are the command buttons. We have several command buttons like execute button. This one is execute button. Then we have halt button. Then we have the status button. Then we have the trace button. We have pause button, step button and reset button. First is execute button. Execute button is just like by pressing the enter key. When your writing is done, when your command writing is done, you will click on this execute button and whatever the command has given, you can get the output there on the screen. Next is you have the halt button. This one, halt button. Halt button permanently stop the execution of MS WLOGO commands. If you click on that button, you cannot type any command there. Then is trace button. As this is a programming language, well, several commands are there, and if there is any mistake have done, this trace button is used to find out the errors from the commands. Then you have the pause button. As like halt button stops permanent executions of the command and pause button is used to temporarily stop the executions of the command. Then you have the step button. This is step button. Step button takes a single step for finding and removing the errors in the program. And next is reset button. What is the function of reset button? Reset button clears, as like we use the duster to erase the board, same way this used to clear the logo output screen. If you click the reset button, whatever is there, suppose this shape I have drawn there, if you click the reset button, then whatever is there on the main screen, this will be erased and logo will be ready to get the next thing there. So these things are actually the idea of the logo screen. What are the things they are present and what are the functions of this. You will be more familiar with these things when the practicing will be done. Basically these things will be more prominent or more familiar to you as you practice these things more and more. So when we will practice the logo shapes there, then you can practice all these buttons and you will be familiar with these things. Next class we will learn some of the basic logo commands, what is mainly used to do the basic shape. This much is for today's class. Thank you so much.